everyone, the agenda of today's video is how to upload program in ESP8266 chip and how to send data on thingspeak server. So we are developing a project to check the temperature and humidity. We are using ESP8266 programming jig because it is the easiest method to program our chip. If you don't have any programming jig, then you can use any TTL board. Now I fix ESPChip on breakout board. I will connect the signal wire of TST sensor pin at IO02. You can connect any GPIO pin. Now I connect breakout board to laptop and power on. Before uploading program, we need to create thingspeak account. So I have already created, so I log in my account. After login, click on new channel and create new channel and give the name temperature and humidity. And enable two fields, one field for temperature and second field for humidity. After doing this, now click on Save Channel. Our field is created. Now click on API keys and copy this right API key. Now go to program and paste in our right API key. After paste API key, click on Tools, select Board and select ESP8266 board and Node MCU12E. Select port COM3 and upload it. After upload program, press the reset button. Now Wi-Fi connected and you can see data is print on serial monitor. Now open thingspeak server and you can also check data is print on thingspeak server. When I taking the soldering iron near the temperature sensor, you can check temperature is increasing. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.